Anong ganap sa mundo ng showbiz? Klinaro ni Gretchen Ho na walang kinalaman sa kasal ng kanyang ex na si Robbie Domingo at sa girlfriend nitong si Mikey Pineda ang kanyang Instagram story. Nagulat si Gretchen sa mga espekulasyon ng ilang netizen na may kaugnayan kay Robbie ang quote na ibinahagi niya na ngayon ay deleted na. Marami ang nagtag kay Gretchen sa mga comments, kasabay ang pagsasabing, "Tara shot," na may kasamang wedding video ni na Robbie at Mikey. Na tila ba inaasar si Gretchen dahil hindi sila ang nagkatuluyan. May isa pang netizen ang nagpost ng screenshot ng naturang Instagram story ni Gretchen at nag-comment ng, "Felt sad for her." Sa quote kasi na ibinahagi ni Gretchen, mababasa ang, "Things don't come to us once we're ready. They tend to arrive early, right when we are not sure of our capacity to fulfill them." Sa kanyang tweet, nilinaw ni Gretchen na ang kanyang post ay may kinalaman sa kanyang career at hindi tungkol sa kasal ni Robbie. Aniya, "Hi, sorry couldn't help but clear this up. My post on my IG stories was about some career realizations. I was off grid for most of the day so I didn't really know. I am very and completely happy for Robbie and Mikey. We are good friends." Reply ni Gretchen. Noong March 2017, kinumpirma ni na Robbie at Gretchen ang kanilang breakup sa pamamagitan ng joint statement na inilabas sa Tonight with Boy Abunda. "There is too much happening for the both of us right now. We have to focus on our career," anila. Kung nagustuhan mo ang content na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-click ang share, like, at mag-comment ng inyong opinyon. And favor naman po, please don't skip the ads.